Hello everyone, welcome to Bhartix. This is the 2025 Hyundai Verna SX Petrol 6-speed manual version. In the front profile here is the full connected LED DRLs. Headlamps are basically LED projector headlamps, but the front fog lamps are halogen projector. Here at the front grille, there is a design which is in piano black finish, and in the front profile there is skirts also, which gives the car sporty vibe. In the middle of the front profile here is the Hyundai logo, and this is the wipers, which is plain wiper, not the rain sensing wipers. This is SX Petrol 6-speed manual version. In the side profile, here the alloys are 16 inches alloys which are in steel finish. If we see the window lines, there is a silver finish, silver line under the window, which is looking too much beautiful. And here is the upright design, which gives the car sporty looks. And the door handles are in silver finish. Alloys are also in silver finish. Front wheels are in disc brake, but the rear wheels are in drum brakes. There are drum brakes actually, SX variant. In the rear profile, there is a spoiler, there is a fully LED connected tail lamps, but the turn indicators and reverse lamps are in halogen. Here is the rear camera, which gives the proper reverse parking guide, and there are 4 sensors in the rear profile, which are the reverse parking sensors. In the rear windshield, there is a rear defogger also, and in the front profile, there is also 2 sensors, which gives the car proper parking assistance. Here are the 2 sensors. In the interior, if we see the interior, here is the dual tone finish interior, which is in black and white finish. Here is the ambient light you can see, which are glowing, and here is the silver finish again. The touchscreen in SX variant is 8 inches touchscreen, and full digital instrument cluster is here. Here is the steering mounted controls also. Steering is in leather finish, leather wrap steering wheel. Yes, and this is the auto dimming IRVM LED reading lamps are here. Here is the single pane sunroof, not panoramic. And the seats are ventilated in front profile. Seats are in white finish. Here you can see the ventilated seat controls, and in steering mounted control you can see in the right side it is the touchscreen control, and in the left side here is the full digital instrument cluster control. Here is the wipers control, here is the headlamps control, and in the driver side door there is also dual tone finish black and white. Here is the electronic controls of the electronically controlled ORVMs, power windows, and lock unlock button is here. Here is the driver side sun visor, and here is the passenger side sun visor with a glass and lamp. Seats are here. Front headrest are adjustable. Here is the armrest in front, which is also adjustable, and there is a space in it. And here are the bottle holder space. And in the driver side door there is also 2 bottle holder space. In the passenger side door there is also 2 bottle holder space and something magazine holder space. The driver side seat is electronically controlled. Here you can see the controls. Or the passenger side seats are not electronically controlled. This is manual seats. If we see the second row, let's go to the second row. So this is the second row of this car, which is actually too much spacious. You can see the knee room, the leg room is here, which is too much spacious, and the under thigh support is also too much good. Here is the rear AC vents, some space is here. Here the C-type charging ports. Here is the armrest of rear. The rear seats are also adjustable rear seats are also with the adjustable headrest. Here is the 2 adjustable headrest. Here is a sunset in the rear glass, which is actually too much good. 6 speakers are in SX variant, and rear reading lamps are also LED. You can see here. Here is the rear reading lamp, which are in LED. Front LED reading lamps are also there. Here is a grab handle. Here is also a grab handle with a hook is here. This is the overall profile of 2025 Hyundai Verna SX 6-speed manual version. Pedals are there. There are 3 pedals: accelerator, brake, and clutch. And here is the gearbox, which is 6-speed manual. If we go see the technical details, in the SX petrol manual version, the engine is 1.5 liter basically, and the output of this engine is 113 bhp of max power and 143 newton meters of max torque. And the 1.5 liter naturally aspirated engine is pretty better engine, refined engine, and the mileage and the comfort of this engine is too much good. So this is a small overview of 2025 Hyundai Verna SX petrol 6-speed manual version. If you want to buy a new car, which may be Hyundai Verna, Mahindra Thar, Tata Nexon, any brands, any car, you can go through our website, which is carbhartix.com. You can simply register there and go to the variants, go to the company section. You can see there Hyundai section, Tata section, Mahindra section, different sections. You can go through which car you want to buy. You can select the car, you can choose the variant, then you can see the price. Use my coupon code TUHIN3102, by which you can get more discounts, and then you can select the EMI options also if you want to buy the car with EMI. So that is the thing. Thank you for watching this video. Subscribe this channel and stay connected with Bhartix. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat.